Want to know how to change your application theme in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and now once you've done that, here you should be provided with this home screen right here. And now, on the top right corner, you should be seeing your settings icon. So we have also created a video on how to log in and install MoonPay to get to this screen, so make sure to watch it. Now once you select this settings icon right here, you should be provided with the settings window, and here right below moon tag you should be seeing preferences. So just simply select preferences, and now hit towards theme right here, that should be right below currency. Now once you select the theme, here you should be seeing three options. One is dark, another is light, and auto, which will use your device's theme preference. So you can just simply change to any one of these and it should be automatically changed up. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.